It's a car. There's no way. There's no way that is. There's no way. Oh my god. It's a truck! No, that's a car. That's a car.
Oh, it's right there. Okay. I see it.
What the heck is that going?
Something happened to its...
What is it?
I don't know, but... It's kind of big. It might even be a bus.
It's not a bus. It looks nothing like a bus. Wow, they're quick.
Woodside Boulevard and Portola Drive. We have vehicle fire. The vehicle is fully involved. And it's in a left turn lane. Sorry? I can't tell. I'm behind a line of cars, but I'm seeing the flames and the smoke going into there. It's right by Tower Market.
Oh my god.
It's in the left turn lane.
Alright. It's a truck. It's a garbage truck.
Thank you.
That's a garbage truck. That's a full-on garbage truck. On fire.